Hey you guys, I know I am taking my sweet jolly old time posting videos, tutorials. I really want to get into a habit of just setting up my tripod, cleaning off the back of my camera, and making sure my mirror is freaking clean because y'all are going to see that my camera's kind of blurry and my mirror was dirty. And that's okay because, it's a learning lesson. You just got to pick yourself up and try again. So the next video will be a lot better, I promise. Anywho, I am so obsessed with this method we did on my client. I was even more excited because I know you guys saw that I took a Bellamy class recently and got certified. So even though I knew all the methods, there was this particular stitch that I learned, which, oh my gosh, it's gonna set apart my previous installs from my new installs like dramatically, because that stitch is what kind of locks everything in, and I'm so glad I learned it because it really did help me. Even my instructor was like, girl, you already know all this, but like it was one of those things where I told her, I'm like, you can never like learn too much. You can never be like, you just know it all. Like you can learn from somebody else for sure. So I'm super grateful for that. Anywho, back to the install. This method, oh my gosh, like I cannot wait to get my curly extensions to do this, because this is like one of those styles where you can wear your hair half up, half down, wear your hair in a ponytail or a pineapple. You can straighten it, get a silk press. You can do braid outs or twist outs. You can literally do so much with this method. You can treat your hair, you can steam your hair. There's like so many ways to keep it healthy without it being in braids, without it being in a sew-in, and without it being flat ironed every day. So definitely 10 out of 10 recommend.